In a decisive move ahead of the new council term, the TIPRA Motha Party has finalized its leadership core for the TTAADC. The consensus was reached during a high-profile meeting of all newly elected MDCs held today at the Ujjayanta Palace. The session, chaired virtually by party founder Bubagra Pradyot Bikram Manikya, focused on ensuring administrative continuity and unity. Following an unanimous decision by the MDCs, the party announced its primary picks for the council top offices. Bhabha Ranjan Reang appointed as chairman, Shri Runeil Debbarma appointed as chief executive member, and Shri Jamatia as executive member. The meeting saw the presence of key political figures including State Minister Bubagra Debbarma and MLS Ranjit Debbarma and Bishwajit Kholoy. The legislators extended their congratulations, expressing confidence that the incoming leadership will prioritize the welfare and development of the Tripura people. The transition will move from the capital to the TTAADC headquarters in Khorang later this week. On Tuesday, May 5, official election proceedings for the post of chairman and CEM will take place at the Council Bhavan. On Wednesday, May 6, the designated leaders will formally take their oaths of office at the Noy Auditorium Hall, Khorang. In a strategic administrative move, the party leadership clarified that while the top posts are now filled, all remaining executive member positions and council roles will be finalized only after the conclusion of the village committee elections. This ensures that the full administrative structure will reflect the complete electoral landscape of the council areas. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.